Hey guys, welcome back to Hanging with the Kiddos. I'm Latoya, and in today's video, we're going to be creating some custom wrappers for the 1.55 ounce 4-pack cookies over on Canva. This is part of our back to school series, but you could definitely create custom wrappers for party favors as well. So if you're interested in learning how to create these yourself, make sure you watch the entire video. Before we hop into the video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you find the video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and follow us over on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. So the first thing we're going to do is create a template, or you can head on over to our website and grab the ready to edit template where I have already created the template for you and set everything up so that you can start creating your design right away. You can find a link to this template in the description box down below. To get started, you want to head on over to canva.com and log into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. You can try Canva Pro free for 30 days when you use our referral link in the description box down below. Next, you want to head on up to custom size. Make sure it's in inches, and you want your page size to be 8.5 by 11 and select create a new design. You can also select the flyer option, which is also 8 by 5 by 11, or the worksheet option. So once our blank page pulls up, we can head on over to elements, scroll down to lines and shapes, and from there we can start creating our template. This is going to be the front of your cookies. This is your back side, and these are your two side edges here. This is going to be for gluing, so you don't want to put anything here. Next, you can head on over to your Uploads tab and start uploading all of your images that you want to use in your design. I'm just going to open the folder that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be making some back to school labels, so I'm just going to go through my images and start adding them to my page here. The school digital paper that I'm using is from MOCKUPS, and if you use our discount code Hanging with the Kiddos over on their website, you can save 50% off your entire purchase. I'll be sure to leave the link to their website and our referral discount code in the description box down below. Next, I'm going to design my labels, print and assemble. Stay tuned.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, oh, oh, la, 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 la. a.m. and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the a.m. that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Alright guys, I hope you all found the video helpful. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. You can find the links to all the materials that I used to assemble in the description box down below. For those of you who are interested, the ready to edit template is available over on our website. I have already created the template for you and set everything up so that you are able to just go in and start creating your designs right away. You can find a link to the template in the description box down below also. Thank you all so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post more videos. And follow us over on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook at Hanging with the Kiddos. See you next time. Bye.